Hello, Facebook fam. This is Glenn Guyton, your cultural navigator, coming to you live today from the cold state of Kansas. Right now, I think it's 19 degrees outside. A couple of days ago, I was in Puerto Rico, where the temperature was probably in the 80s. But you are not interested in the temperature of the places where I'm traveling, are you? I just want to talk to you today about what is setting Twitter ablaze. Yes, Twitter is on fire as usual, and this time it comes from a comment from the CPAC convention, conservative convention that just took place. I think Donald Trump spoke there and was cussing, and also we had Miss Michelle Malkin. She made a comment that diversity is not our strength, unity is, and of course the Twitterverse is all a Twitter about that. But I want to say I do believe that there is strength in diversity, and that diversity and unity are not antonyms. They're not at odds with one another. As a matter of fact, there's a concept that's called unity in diversity, which says that unity without uniformity and diversity without fragmentation is possible. In other words, you can do you, I can do me, but we can also work together for a common goal. Michelle Malkin is a conservative talk show host, blogger type person, and I'm sure that she's saying things that she said to appeal to her audience, and maybe she truly believes that unity and diversity can't go hand in hand. I believe that you can have both, that both are possible. As a matter of fact, I think that diversity enhances unity. It strengthens us when we have diverse viewpoints, when we have people from various backgrounds that are able to contribute to a common cause and strengthen it. Because if a cause can weather diversity, it's so much stronger. If you are a business owner, why wouldn't you want to listen to people from various backgrounds that have diverse experience to enhance your product, to improve your workforce, to bring in new thoughts, new ideas, innovations in the way that you go through your process, or the way that you create your product, or even in the products that you offer. Diversity is essential for any successful business. It's essential for any leader that wants to be effective in their role. So diversity and unity aren't antonyms. Miss Malkin talked about how she identifies herself, that she is an American and that she doesn't hyphenate who she is, that she's fully assimilated. And I think those things are fine. You can be who you want to be. You know, don't hyphenate your name. Hyphenate your name. I consider myself a proud Texan. I consider myself black. I consider myself African American. I consider myself a Christian. I consider myself a male. And all those things are part of who I am. But I have people who identify differently from me, who I work alongside. I value their gifts. I value their diverse background. And it makes me a better person. It makes me a more effective leader. And I have to pay attention to the people that are around me, to know how they think, to know the things that are important to them, to understand their rituals, to understand their culture, because it helps me to reach them. It helps me to be a more authentic leader, but it doesn't detract from my goal. It doesn't detract from the goal of my organization. And if you're a business owner, if you embrace diversity, if you do it well, I'm not talking about forcing people to think the same way, but if you embrace diversity, understand how to pull from the diverse gifts and talents of this country, of your community, you will be better for it. You will have an enhanced talent pool. You will be able to create products that reach a wide variety of people. You will be a more effective leader. So trust me, diversity and unity aren't opposites. Don't let anyone tell you that. Be who you want to be, but also understand what it means to work together in the midst of diversity. It does take a little work, but the payoff, the dividends that you get are priceless. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you have a great day. Bye.